Hello, doc.
Hi.
Doctor, I have a question. Can I ask?
Yeah, please tell me.
Doctor, can I go for the MCLA chair treatment?
Of course, definitely. So, this treatment, that is MCLA chair treatment, is something which everyone needs, let it be men or let it be women. Because basically, what this MCLA chair does is it will strengthen the pelvic floor muscle. So, this pelvic floor muscle is a nice muscle which is placed in the lower part of the abdomen, that is in the pelvis. And through this pelvic floor muscle is the urine pipe passing through, is the motion pipe passing through, and also are the pelvic organs both in men and women pass through this pelvic floor muscle. So the health of this pelvic floor muscle is very important both in men and women for the very basic needs of something like urinary continence, that is to prevent urine leakage or to have a good sexual life. These are the very basic thing with this pelvic floor muscle does. So basically, when someone loses weight rapidly, that is all of a sudden, let it be in men or women, if they lose a good quantity of weight, maybe 20 kgs or 30 kgs in a very short span, that is 2 months or 3 months, they are definitely supposed to have some protein loss and muscle loss in their body. So this rapid muscle loss might give them symptoms also. If it happens in the pelvic region, that is with the pelvic floor muscle, they might have some symptoms like urinary leakage issue or some other symptoms. So this is one of the main reason why few men, if they have sudden weight loss or fluctuating weight, they might come to opt for MCLA chair treatment. Or in other cases, if someone is having an erectile dysfunction, that is ED problem, then they might use this MCLA chair treatment, which nicely enhances the pelvic floor muscle and also the blood supply as a supportive treatment along with their urologist mainstay treatment. Not just this, if they are having some pelvic floor pathologies, maybe some prostate cancer, after which followed by they are going for resection and chemotherapy, this might have caused lot of muscle loss in them, and following which they might have some urinary incontinence, that is leakage issue. So in all these cases also, after their oncology treatment is over, for their intimate health, that is pelvic floor health, they are advised for MCLA chair treatment. So not just for these reasons, just for pelvic floor strengthening, like how in the gym how they strengthen other muscles, in the same way for pelvic floor strengthening, they can just opt for MCLA chair treatment on a routine basis also. So if you find this video informative, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for further notifications. And if you have any further queries related to this, do comment below so that we can revert back to you.